In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a microphone in OBS Studio. If you're new to OBS Studio or simply trying to ensure the best audio quality for your recordings or streams, you're in the right place. Think of OBS Studio as a live broadcasting and recording hub, and adding a microphone is a fundamental step to ensure your voice comes through clearly during your recording sessions or live broadcasts. First, you'll want to open the OBS Studio app. Make sure you've downloaded and installed the latest version for optimal performance and features. Once you're inside OBS Studio, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, particularly the areas that you'll be using frequently. The interface might seem complicated at first, but with each function in its place, it becomes much easier to navigate with a little bit of practice. Next, you should turn your attention to the Audio Mixer panel. You'll usually find this panel in the lower part of your OBS Studio screen. What makes the Audio Mixer so valuable is its ability to control audio levels and manage various audio inputs. If you've connected your microphone and it doesn't appear here immediately, don't worry. That's exactly what these steps are here to help you with. Now, you'll notice a three-dot icon next to the audio meter associated with your microphone. It usually resembles an ellipsis, a small yet crucial icon that holds a myriad of settings. Clicking this icon reveals a menu with several options for configuring your audio device. After you've clicked the three-dot icon, one of the top menu options you'll see is Properties. Go ahead and click on that. This is a significant part of the journey, as the Properties window is essentially the control room for your microphone settings within OBS Studio. Within this window, you'll find several different settings that you can adjust to tailor your audio input exactly how you want. Within Properties, you'll spot a section labeled Device. This is where you'll select the exact microphone you'd like to use for your projects. By default, it might be on a generic setting, or perhaps another input device. Clicking on the drop-down menu will present a list of all connected audio devices. Carefully select your microphone from this list. It's always a good idea to ensure that your microphone is connected properly and working fine before you select it. And once you've made your selection, you're all set. Your microphone should now be active within OBS Studio. Take a moment perhaps to test your audio and ensure the levels are to your liking. Remember, each microphone could have different levels, so you might need to adjust depending on the one you've selected. Congratulations! You're now ready to start recording or streaming with high-quality audio. Adding a microphone is a simple yet vital part of enhancing your projects. Don't forget to explore other audio settings for even more customization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make your OBS Studio setup a little bit easier and more effective.